My name is Brittany Bevel. I'm the Education Curator here at the Tampa Museum of Art. You may have noticed the fences around our building, and while we are open during construction, today we're going to look beyond those fences and see the new education center that will be at the Tampa Museum of Art. Let's go. Now we're standing in the lobby for the new education center. This will be our dedicated entrance for tours and students taking classes at the museum. Behind me, we'll have a registration desk, and when it's all finished, you'll be able to look out the beautiful windows to the Curtis Hickson Waterfront Park. This is the education corridor. This will be the main hallway to access all of our classrooms, as well as a place for us to display student artwork and student exhibitions through partnerships with community organizations. This will also lead directly into our gallery spaces as you move through the space. This will be our volunteer lounge, a space for our volunteers to meet and collaborate on projects for all of our wonderful programs. Welcome to the Golding Share Classroom. This will be our space for painting, printmaking, and a wide variety of other mediums. At the moment, we are not able to hold classes after the museum closes. However, this dedicated space, including the entrance, will give us that opportunity to hold classes late into the evening when the rest of the institution is closed. Our original classroom is being renovated into a hub for technology. In this space, students of all ages will be able to take classes like digital art and digital photography. This is our ceramics classroom, and for the first time ever, the museum will be able to offer classes where students can make pottery and sculptures right here at the Tampa Museum of Art. With the completed renovation, we will be able to serve about 4 times the number of students in our on-site education programs. That means we can go from seeing 6,000 students on school tours to 24,000 students each year. So that was a look at all the construction happening behind the fence at the Tampa Museum of Art. We can't wait to see you in our new education center.